Okay, so let us start right now. Before going to start, just understand the meaning of the Cordova. This is your practical number 1. First, introductions and meaning of the Cordova. So, what is the Cordova? It is a platform. Cordova is a platform for building hybrid mobile application. It is a platform for building hybrid mobile application and using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript languages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. CSS stands for Cascaded Style Sheet, and JavaScript. So three are the language which are included in these applications. Okay, just 1 minute. मैडम बावल का बाद में करता हूँ. So this is the meaning of Cordova. Then there are some features of Cordova. First one is your command line interface. It is also called as CLI. Remember this one, CLI stands for command line interface. This is a tool. It can be used for your starting project, building processes for the different platforms, installing different plugins, and a lot of other useful things that make the development process easier. You will learn how the use of command line interface in this all these practicals later on. Then Cordova second feature, Cordova Core Components. Cordova Core Components, it offers a set of core components that every mobile application needs it, and these components will be used for creating base of the app, so we can spend more time to implement our own logic. Third feature is that Cordova plugins. Cordova offers API that will be used for the implementing. Cordova offers API. Now, what is a API? Application Programming Interface. It's called as API, Application Programming Interface. That will be used for your implementing the native mobile functions to our JavaScript. Okay, that time it will use for this Cordova plugin. Then next version, that is license. Cordova is the license under the Apache license, version 2.0. Apache, and Apache features, logos are trademarks. Okay, so these are the features of your Cordova. Apart from this, there are some advantages and disadvantages we are going to discuss right now. What are the different advantages in the Cordova? This Cordova offers one platform for building your hybrid mobile apps. So we can develop one app that will be used on the different mobile platforms such as iOS, Android, Windows, Amazon Fire, BlackBerry, etc. OS, Ubuntu. So this is the one advantage of this Cordova. Second thing, it is very faster to develop your hybrid app. Third one, we are using the JavaScript. Then when looking with the Cordova, we don't need to learn platform specific programming languages. Okay. So there are many community add-ons that can be used with the Cordova, such as your libraries, different frameworks, which are optimized for working with it. These are the advantages of Cordova. Then limitations, disadvantages of Cordova. It is a hybrid apps, which are very slower than native ones. This is one of the more disadvantages for this Cordova. Then cross-browser compatibility can create lots of issues, and most of them it consume more time to building this Cordova. This is another second limitation of the Cordova. Third one, here we are applying the some plugins that have compatibility issues, and with different devices and platforms. There are so natives APIs that are not yet supported by the Cordova. This is the most important limitation of this Cordova. So these are the some limitations, advantages or benefits of the Cordova and features of this Cordova. One thing I have given here that starting this site, for this Cordova practicals, all of you note down this one, this site, which I have highlighted here. So this Cordova platform not possible to install in our PC. It requires a lot of memory. So we are doing using these sites. On the sites, many practicals are there. I will tell you time to time how to use this site. Okay. So all of you write down this site name. Have you done all of it? Okay. So 1 minute. मैं साइट ओपन करता हूँ. These are the questions for practicals from 1 to 10. Just take the screenshot for your reference. There are 10 practicals. One is a theory. Second, AB, we are going to start here right now. To create and build simple Hello World app using the Cordova. So meaning is that we are creating just simple by displaying Hello World app in Cordova. ठीक है? आपने दिया स्क्रीनशॉट? ठीक है. 2A. Aim is that to create and build simple Hello World app using Cordova. First step, open your command prompt. Okay, I am showing you. CMD, command prompt, CMD. Is my screen visible to you, all of you? There is some fluctuations of networks. It is happen. Okay, is my screen visible to you, all of you? command prompt window I have open here. All of you know how to open command prompt. Go to start button, search CMD, that is command. So one window will be display here. Okay. I want to go to the parent directory. So which command you use? cd slash. What is the command? cd backslash and enter. Okay. Then, as per the first step, open command prompt and create a directory. So how to create a directory? MD, that is making directory, SYITMP. Okay. It is already exists. So I am giving another name here. Then cd means change the directory. cd ITMP. Okay. Here all of you. Then this directory is created. Simple thing how to create. Okay. Then to create the first app name as prac2a. How to write here? Cordova create by head करके रखने का. Second step to create the first app name as prac2a. So which command you have to use? Cordova create prac2a space io dot Cordova dot hello Cordova space hello world app. ठीक है, ये अप्लाई ना होगा बिकॉज सॉफ्टवेयर इज नॉट इंसर्ट हियर, इंस्टॉल नहीं है इसके लिए. ठीक है, बट आपको क्या करने का, ये स्टेप्स लिखने के पूरे. फॉर द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट फर्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव टू राइट making directory md stands for making directory and cd is a change the directory. For parent directory how to use, which command use? cd slash. okay, all of you note down this one. ये आपको हमेशा लगने ही वाला है. हर each and every practical we require this one. आपको बाय हार्ट करके रखने का ये. okay, so write down each and every things you should be right there. Then third stage is to add the platforms. After creating this first app, then you have to add the platform to the Cordova. So how to add the platform? cd slash space prac2a Cordova platform app Android. Okay, note down these steps quickly. Just one minute. create your Cordova, first step, open your command prompt, making a directory, then create your first app, name as जो भी है practical हो, give that name by giving the Hello Cordova app name. Then add the platform. To add the platform, write a command Cordova platform as Android. Okay. After this one, you have to open the HTML file. It has already created by this Cordova softwares HTML and JavaScript. So you have to open this HTML file. This HTML file is already which is inbuilt in www folder. Okay, just you have to double click on the www folder. You will display the HTML files and JavaScript file. You have to select the HTML file. Okay, and that HTML file by default it will display the codes, but you have to add your own code. That is my first code. I give the name headings in the div, and this हेडिंग के लिए हम आपको तो HTML लैंग्वेज पता होगा कैसे लिखते हैं एंगल्स वगैरह, वो तो आपको मालूम होगा H1 हेडिंग. माय फर्स्ट कोड वर्ड एंड हेलो वर्ड. ओके, एंड जस्ट सेव दिस वन. देन next thing is that on the command prompt again you have to use this command to run the Cordova. What is the first आपला second ये practical क्या है? You have to create and build a simple app you have to display. To run this Cordova, you have to use after fulfilling the HTML and JavaScript, then again come to the command prompt and you have to write the command Cordova build Android. After successful build of this Cordova, then for output, you have to write again this command Cordova emulate Android. Then you will display this output. Okay, this one. I am showing the site पे आपको पूरा दिखेगा ये, but you have to this command you have to use before display the output, तभी आपका output आएगा. First thing you have to build Android and second thing is emulate the Android. Okay, so all of you write down for execution of this program or output or run the program, you need to use these two commands, Cordova build Android and Cordova emulate Android. Okay, write down this one. Now I am showing you the site. This one. Site for this Meaning of I have given here. Read this, students. Are you listening? Na? Am I audible, students? Okay. So look at the screen. This is your Cordova site. It has given the meaning of the Cordova here, which already I told you. Read this one, and then come to the overview. So here, give the definitions of this Cordova. Should we remember this one definitions? And these are the features, advantages, and limitations. Okay. Then first application. Same thing which I have given on the command prompt. You have to write this one Cordova platform and Android, and then for run the Cordova you have to use that two commands. Okay, then you will display this window like this. Okay, Apache Cordova. So instead of Apache Cordova, you have to write the heading. You are given Hello World app. By default, it has given. You don't need to do anything. Just read and write here. Okay. So this is a site for Cordova which I have shown you. Go to our page. I have written this command. Answer. What you want to say? There is nothing to do it because built in insert नहीं है सॉफ्टवेयर इसमें. उसमें मेमोरी बहुत लगती है और इसमें पॉसिबल नहीं है. इसको सर्वर भी चाहिए. सो ऑनलाइन इसमें डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है. मैंने आपको एक साइट दिखा है. ठीक है. कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे भी आपको कमांड कैसे इंसर्ट करने का मालूम होना चाहिए बेसिक्स. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन दिस वन. ओके. Come to the next one. ठीक है. Two things will be remember on the command prompt after creating the HTML and JavaScript file. इसमें फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम है तो JavaScript फाइल नहीं है, बट आपको लास्ट में रन करने के लिए हाउ टू यूज दिस वन. ओके. Cordova build Android and Cordova emulate Android. Then you will display this one. सब प्रैक्टिकल ऐसे ही होंगे. आपके दूसरे बैच के भी ऐसे ही है. डोंट वरी. हाँ. वन थिंग, क्वेश्चन कैसे रहेंगे. सो लुक एट द स्क्रीन. Maybe ask you what is a API, what is a Cordova. Should we remember that Cordova is a platform for building your hybrid mobile using this language HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. What are the features? You should be know that what are the features of Cordova. CLI, what is stands for CLI, command line interface. Okay. Then any two advantages. You should be know that all these advantages and benefits of this Cordova. Then limitations, what are the limitations. Okay, so simple thing questions we will ask for the y1. And second thing, what is a MD, or To make the directory, which command you use on the command prompt? Make directory md. Okay. Then what is the cd? Change the directory. If you want, you can write down in your notebook. MD means making directory. CD means change the directory. Okay. Then which command you use to add to the platform? Cordova platform add Android. So you by heart that one. Cordova platform add Android. Then to run the Cordova, which command are used? Cordova build Android. Cordova emulate Android. Okay, so these are the basics questions you should remember. Should be know that. So read this one. Okay, so that's why I told you to write in your notebook. Clear, all of you? Next, practical number 2b. To create and build simple Hello World app using the Cordova button, volume up and backup button. Okay, इस प्रैक्टिकल में हमें क्या करने का है? You have to create बटन. तो बटन क्रिएट करने के HTML में आपको टैग मालूम है, बराबर ना? कौन सा टैग यूज करते हैं आप लोग? जरा याद करो. स्क्रिप्ट टाइप टेक्स्ट यूज किया है मैंने. बटन्स के लिए बटन आईडी, बराबर ना? These tags. Okay. So here in this program, थोड़ा टेक्स्ट लिया है मैंने. So it's the same thing है. Aim is that when you click on the particular button, one message will be displayed. So same thing you have to follow. Open the command prompt, make your directory, use this command for making and changing the directory. Then to create the first app name as practical 2b, you have to also same thing, you have to use the this command Cordova create. Instead of practical 2a, you have to write act 2b. Then io.cordova.hello Cordova hello world app. Same. To add to the platform, use this command Cordova platform add Android. Then open your HTML file. Then same thing you have to follow. Write this one hello world in first Cordova app. After getting this HTML file, go to your JavaScript, index.javascript file, open that files and write this part document.event listener. Now when you click on the button, look at the button here, when you click on the button, that time one event is created. That event is go to your function. Which one? Event listener. Add event listeners. Then add event listeners. Build this process here and whatever you have written और जो भी आपने पैरामीटर पास किया है और फंक्शंस में लिखा है, that function should be called. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपने फंक्शन अपना ओन क्रिएट किया हुआ है, call back function. This function you are calling here call back function. This one. That time this function will call and after clicking on the button, those function आपने यूज किया है. अलर्ट का मतलब है alert function is used to display the message, the pop-up window. जो भी आप double quotes में whatever you have written, it will display as it is. So alert, when you click on this particular button, you will display this message volume of button is pressed or pass. ठीक है? तो same thing when you click on the another button, I have written that back button is press. जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे बटन पे क्लिक करूंगा तो ये मैसेज मुझे डिस्प्ले होगा. तो what this will happen that event is fire and that event is listening by the which function? Add listener functions. Add event listener functions. And add event listener functions is process in the by there you have already passing the parameter. बराबर ना? आपने जो own खुद का जो अपने function बनाया, that calling that function in that add event listeners, and add event listeners again come here and whatever you have written, it will just process and again come back here and it will display the message. सेम थिंग इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर द सेकेंड बटन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आउटपुट ऐसा रहेगा. जब यू क्लिक ऑन दैट बटन, पहले बटन पे आपको ये वॉल्यूम इज प्रेस एंड सेकेंड वन बैक बटन इज प्रेस. आपको ये आउटपुट डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये सिंपल थिंग आपको करने का है. गेटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. सेम थिंग यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस वन, बट जस्ट जावास्क्रिप्ट फाइल में आपको ऐड करने के अपने ओन फंक्शन बाय यूजिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट ऐड इवेंट लिसनर्स ओनली टू दिस वन. ओके, बाय डिफॉल्ट देयर विल बी डिस्प्ले. जैसे कि मैं आपको साइड पे दिखाता हूँ. जस्ट 1 मिनट है. इवेंट लिसनर, here document dot event listener. ठीक है, this is a by default it will display. You have to just add the this function. इसमें आ जाएगा, लेकिन आपको ये फंक्शन आपको खुद को बनाने का है. That is function callback function. It is our own function which we have created. So alert volume button is press. So when you click on this button, you will display this message. This is pop-up window for displaying by using the alert function. Okay, same thing for the back button is press. तो ये आपको मैसेज डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. Okay, so these are the things which you have given here. I want to run this again, this Cordova. So which command I use for this one? For display this output on command prompt, you have to write Cordova build Android. Same command you have to use. Which one? This one. Cordova build Android, Cordova emulate Android. Okay, students, this will be show the output as soon as you use this command. Student, just 5 minutes wait. I will come back. Just give me a break here. Wait for 1 minute. Students, I am giving you a break 5 minutes only. Okay, then. नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम है ना. नेटवर्क कनेक्शन फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है, इसके वजह से वो आता ही जाता है. So all of you got this one. What is a event listener, or what is a event listener? Yes, students. आपको ये छोटे छोटे just minors basics should be know that. Will be asked, so should be known very well. Okay. What is a event listener? Yes, students. What is a event listener? I think you are not clear this one. Again, I am asking you, what is an event listener? Again, I am telling you, listen now. Event listener is a procedure or the function that waits for an event to occur. It means the listener is a program to react to an input or signal by calling the event handler. Okay, it is called as event handler. Get it? Clear all of you? Okay, then to execute the Cordova, which commands are used to execute the Cordova, which commands are used? Okay, सामने मैं दिखा दूँ so that to execute the command or to run the Cordova. Cordova build Android and Cordova emulate Android. After success build successful, then you have to enter this command. Then you will display the output. Okay. Then what is a MD? What is the MD? If you know, if you don't know, then write this one. Again, I am telling you. Please note down. Make the directory on the command prompt. CD means change the directory. And suppose you want to go to the parent directory, that time you have to use which command? CD slash. Which slash? Front slash. Sorry, black slash. Clear? What is the API stands for? API, Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface is called as API. Then to add the platform, which command you use? What platform add? Android. To create the first app, you have to use this command io.coda.hello. Then next thing, what is a Cordova? It is a platform for building the hybrid mobile using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. What are the features? Command line interface, Cordova core components, plugins. Okay. What is the long form of CLI? Command line interface. These are the advantages and disadvantages. Again, I am telling you that note down this site for your reference. Please note down it. Then, what is the long form of CLI? Just minor things should be write down that one. Then CLI के बाद में these are the features. These are the advantages. Do this. All of you read this one. Please read it. Now start to end. Read it. What is called as Cordova? 10 features. Then there is advantages and disadvantages of Cordova. if you read this one, limitations of Cordova. Then practical 2AK commands. Note down this one. These are commands. These are the 4 steps before creating this Cordova. each and every practical require these four commands. Then HTML and JavaScript, two files are required. Okay, now come to the third practical, practical number third. To create and build, to create the buttons and event listeners. Here we are going to create the four buttons and insert, add means insert new record, just message pop-up आपको display करना है. Then delete, contact us, all these things we are going to create here. Then steps, open the command prompt and create the directory sitmp. md, making the directory, cd, change the directory. To create the first app name as fact3, same command you have to use io.cordova.hello Cordova button app. Okay. Then to add to the platform, same thing you have to apply Cordova platform add Android. Then come to the HTML file by opening the folder www. It will display HTML file index.html. By default, there are three code. You have to add these buttons. So आपके यहाँ पे buttons add हो जाएंगे. Then go to the JavaScript button. So in the JavaScript, you have to create this function add event listeners. जो मैंने बोल्ड किया है वही आपको यही करने का है, लिखने का है. Because we are calling this function by creating the this element ID by the event listener functions. Adding the event listener. How to add? By using dot operator. And then access this add event listener functions. By default, it will display this one, but you have to just calling this your own function by event listener. Okay, there are four buttons. It means four event listener आ जाएंगे. Then function, to initialize your function, that is make your own function by creating the function set add functions. Function name, take a meaningful, it should be a meaningful. Take any name that's like a variable. Okay, so according to meaningful, I have written the set add function, then set add set delete function, and then a close function. Okay, in this function I am calling the alert function. So alert function क्या करेगा आपको one display window करेगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो, if you click on the particular button, it display this message. So this message you have to write in this alert function in single quotes. Okay, in quotes you can write anything to display the message whatever you require. I am calling this function in the add event listener function. Okay, जैसे last practical में क्या same it is, you have to do in the practical third one, but you have to add in the JavaScript file these functions only. Okay, by creating these functions, your own functions. Note down that one. In the JavaScript file, you have to write this one, add event listener function, and create your own functions. Okay. Then write this your own function.
Table ano.
And to execute the Cordova, same two commands you have to do this one. Cordova build Android, Cordova emulate Android. Just 1 minute. there is a network problem. That's why it happened. Network is not stable. Next one, practical number 4, battery plug-in. Practical number 4. Yeah, I think so. Huh. To install and use the battery plugin, and B part is that to install and use the camera plugin. So come to the battery plugin. Here plugin means plugman. You should be remember for the plugin. On the plugin. Cordova plugman is a useful command line tool for your installing and managing the plugins. You should use the plugman if your app needs to run the one specific platform. You want to create a class platform ad that time. You need to write plugin instead of button. जैसे कि हम कमांड कैसे लिखते थे यहाँ पे एक consider this one Cordova platform add Android. Okay, so here add Android plugin. So you need to write here add Android plugin. यहाँ पे आपके सामने दिया है. So instead of this one यहाँ पे आपको plugin लिखने का है. Instead of doing this one, you can do the separate command. जैसे कि to add plugin, Cordova plugin add Cordova plugin battery status. यहाँ पे हम battery status check नहीं करें, only the plugin. Second B part is a battery status. Only this line you have to add here. This steps add हुआ है इसमें, जहाँ के हम practical 1 and 2 में 3 में only 4 steps we have to on the command prompt 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो यहाँ पे एक step add हुआ है only to add the plugin. The plugman Cordova add plugin to add Cordova plugin hyphen battery hyphen status. Same thing, you have to open the HTML. An HTML file you have to create nothing as it is. You have to write as keep as this file as it is, but in JavaScript write your own functions, only one function, that is battery status, and call this function to the add event listeners. In battery status by default it will display your information level, plugin and information plug. जैसे कि if you click on the battery you will display the message battery status level is 0 and plug is true. ठीक है, that is called as battery status. How to check? Only add in the alert function battery status level आपको यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करने का. information level is plug and plug information is plugged. Okay, so that will display the output 100 and here plug is true, मतलब plug है इसमें, so that's why it will display the 2. ठीक है. Just all of note down these commands, these steps or commands you write down this one. For practical 4 ये है. For calling the camera and image, where the image will be displayed once taken, and this will be added to the index HTML file inside the division. Okay, by creating the applying your button ID यहाँ पे जैसे this one. Okay, before doing this one we have to follow the same steps. जैसे 4th A में steps follow किया था command prompt पे, same thing you have to follow this one. Okay, on the command prompt again you have to create your our making directory, then create the name as practical 4B, then add the platform Cordova platform add Android, then add the plugin. To add the plugin you have to write Cordova plugin add Cordova plugin battery hyphen camera. So यहाँ पे previous status था, अभी instead of status you have to write camera. To add the plugin Cordova plugin add Cordova hyphen plugin hyphen battery hyphen camera. Okay, so one thing यहाँ पे one changes हो गए, just remember this one. Then open your HTML file from the www. an index HTML file, create one button and insert the image, insert your own image. After this one, go to your JavaScript file. Okay. Here adding the event listener in the JavaScript. So this event listener is added inside on your device ready to function to ensure that Cordova is loaded before the start. Okay. So we will create the camera take picture function that is passed as a callback to our event listener, and it will be fire when the button is tapped. Inside the function, we will call the navigator.camera. Navigator.camera globally. This object will be called by using the plugin API. Okay, and if the taking the picture is successful, the data, that is message, will be sent on successful callback function, and if it is not, it will display that error message. Okay, so in the JavaScript you have to use this, call this function by using the add event listener function. So create your own functions, जैसे कि function camera take picture, ये अपना own function create किया हुआ है. Use the navigator dot camera dot get picture. Okay, in this function you have to code this one like this: quality 50 and destination camera. Destination is a camera and type is your data, that is your URL. Okay, and there are two possibilities. If it is true, so it will display the image, otherwise it will display the error message. बस इतना ही इसमें. Okay, then you will display the this image by clicking on the button capture the image. So we will display this image. Okay, in the output. For creating your output, same command you have to follow: Cordova build Android, Cordova emulate Android. Okay, so just note down this one JavaScript file, all of you. We will see later on.